Are you looking for an adventure? Experience an ATV adventure in the wilderness of the Canadian Shield with Bear Claw Tours. Bear Claw Tours half-day guided adventures come complete with electric shift four-wheel drive ATVs, all the gear, snacks, and full safety instruction. Thrill to the spectacular Canadian Shield scenery. It's incredible fun that's even better when wet. Call Bear Claw Tours at 746-9481 or visit bearclawtours.com. Can you come out and play? Call Bear Claw Tours at 746-9481 or visit bearclawtours.com. Can you come out and play?